Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel Triguna Guru. Today we will discuss about Samriddhi scheme for SC/ST students. It's a scheme of AICTE. Let us start the video to discuss in detail. AICTE stands for All India Council for Technical Education. This Samriddhi scheme was launched by AICTE. This scheme provides financial assistance to SC/ST students for setting up startups. Now, let us know about AICTE. As I already said, AICTE stands for All India Council for Technical Education. This AICTE was formed in the year 1945. The headquarters of AICTE is located in New Delhi and its branches are located in Tiruvananthapuram, Hyderabad, Gurugram, Kolkata, Chennai, Kanpur, Chandigarh, Bangalore, etc. So now let us discuss in detail about Samriddhi scheme for SC/ST students. The website link is provided in description. You can get access by clicking on that link. So, this Samriddhi scheme is only for SC/ST students. The main motive of introducing Samriddhi scheme is looking at the poor job availability in the market. It is necessary to provide opportunities for SC/ST students to start their own enterprise. The broad objective of this scheme is to help SC/ST students in designing, launching, and running their own business through entrepreneurship development program after formal education is over or during their education as per AICTE's startup policy. Now, let us discuss about eligibility criteria for applying this scheme. The first most important point is the applying candidate must be from AICTE approved institutes or AICTE approved university departments. The second thing is institute or university departments must be in existence for at least 10 years. And the third thing is institutions should have a good incubation center and its activities happening for at least 5 years. And the fourth most important thing is the institute must have minimum of 50 SC/ST students on an average on roll during last 3 years and comply with the guidelines of tribal sub-plan scheduled caste sub-plan of Government of India. And duration of this scheme is for a period of 2 years. Total financial assistance of rupees 20 lakhs is provided, out of which 1 lakh per every year is granted. To avail this opportunity, the following are the steps. The proposal shall be assessed by an expert committee constituted by 3 experts not below the rank of associate professor, including at least one entrepreneur. And there are some terms and conditions for applying candidates of this scheme will be discussed at the end of highlights of this Samriddhi scheme. Let us discuss highlights of this Samriddhi scheme. This scheme is only for SC/ST students. 100 marks online test is conducted, out of which 60 marks above students will be qualifying for this Samriddhi scheme. Not only this, at least 2 experts out of 3 should approve you for selecting this scheme. As I said, I'll discuss terms and conditions of this Samriddhi scheme at the end of the highlights. So, there are some terms and conditions for the candidates who are applying for this scheme. The most important points to be noted are as follows. Sanction amount to institutions or universities will be not more than 20 lakhs, and for a person, not more than 2 lakhs. Leftover funds for the project sanctioned by the AICTE should be returned to the AICTE within the period of 1 month prior to the completion of the project. Over expenditure incurred by the institutions or candidates who involved in the project will not be adjusted by the AICTE department. If AICTE finds any fraud, then it is going to collect all the sanctioned amount with interest and going to take action against the punishables. So, this is all about Samriddhi scheme for SC/ST students. I hope everyone liked this video. Friends, I'll be back with the another government scheme in the next week. Until then, keep watching Triguna Guru. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do share, like, subscribe. Don't forget to press on bell icon. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Bye bye.